Now let's go ahead and spec out the Ronin 2. Now this thing is shaped basically exactly like the XL. We have an octagon shaped frame where you can be able to hold and hold or have two people or however you want to do it. You're going to have a lot of different abilities to be able to maneuver this gimbal support system for your camera. So the specs come down to this. The Ronin 2 can carry up to 30 pounds, and it can also be moving at about 75 miles an hour before it really encounters a lot of problems.
All right, now the first thing you're going to notice about this is that it is quite a bit bigger than anything that DJI has put out before. Now, you can set up the entire system like this, or you can break it down a bit more to be able to go on any type of operation that you would like it to. Now, coming back over here, we have got these hinges still up at the top, but if you notice up the other point right up here, what we're looking at is a way to be able to dial in this gimbal exactly to the placement where we want it to be, which is a lot better than flipping a lock and then sliding it and accidentally moving it way too far. Now, again, we're looking at the Summicron C with a C500, and that is going to be not a super light setup, not something you could really fly on the M. So what the great thing about this is we've got these adjustable gears on the bottom, up on the top. We can really dial this thing into exactly where we want it to be. And these hot swap batteries up here are going to be super helpful, because what we're able to do now is we're able to power the camera off of these batteries. Now, the gears system that we have, you can see it on the back, and it's on the other side over there. That is going to be able to be 5 times stronger than anything that we've ever experienced from Ronin before. So we're going to be able to set up our system a little bit quicker and have much better control over our entire system. Now, lastly, about the Ronin 2 is that you start looking around the back here and you start seeing some different controls up at the back. This entire thing is carbon fiber coming all the way down and across, but we've also got, this just got set down here. And can you tell us anything about this here?
Yeah, so it's completely redesigned to give the operator a lot more control. Everything is at the fingertips, controlling every single bit of the Ronin. And this gives you full control to move around the gimbal while somebody else is carrying it up to 1 kilometer away.
1 kilometer?
1 kilometer is the range of the system.
Awesome. Thank you very much. All right. So for your consideration, the Ronin M. Also, check out the little feet here mounted on the bottom. Okay, we finally have a way to set this baby down.
Now there are some videos that DJI has put out that talk about the Ronin itself, the R2, and I just realized it's called R2. Star Wars joke. But if I'm looking at a comparison between the Movi XL and the Ronin 2, and the price of the Ronin 2 is going to make it so much easier. I mean, I don't think they've announced the price yet. I haven't heard it at least, but I'd be guessing between $3,000 and $6,000. I mean, it might be a little bit north of that, but not by much. But that's something that could definitely easily be rented out or be able to be used, and I can't confirm or deny if Camera Ambassador is going to pick one up, but I mean, I hope they do. As well as the XL and the Carbon too. You know, all this gear is exciting, and I really want to be able to see it in person, where I can really have my hands on it and do some reviews on them. So that's what we got from DJI, was the Ronin 2. Another thing, they have feed adapters on the bottom, which they've never had a way to set down any of their gimbals before, which is very, very helpful. But that was about it from them.